Welcome to Echoes of Time. Today, we explore how beauty was seen over 100 years ago. Through rare vintage postcards, we discover women from different cultures, each reflecting the ideals, traditions, and identity of her time. Vesta Tilley was a celebrated star of England's music hall, famed for her male impersonation, stage charisma, and influence on entertainment for over 40 years. From the Victorian era of the 19th century, this Luzon woman embodies elegance, tradition, and colonial-era identity in the Philippines. Agnes Ayres was an American silent film actress who rose to fame around the 1920s, representing early Hollywood elegance. This Algerian dancer, photographed in the late 19th century, reflects traditional North African beauty, movement, and cultural expression. Anna May Wong, photographed in the 1920s, became the first Chinese-American movie star and a global icon of early cinema. Anna Pavlova was a legendary Russian prima ballerina, admired worldwide for grace, emotion, and redefining ballet on international stages globally. A Japanese female warrior from the early 1900s wearing traditional armor represents discipline, honor, and the fading echoes of samurai culture. Elegant, unknown woman embodying vintage beauty, confidence, and 20th century charm. A serene geisha embodies elegance, tradition, and timeless beauty during a quiet Japanese tea ceremony. A young Berber woman carries tradition, beauty, and daily life across generations in early 20th century North Africa. A young Burmese dancer embodies grace, rhythm, and cultural tradition through expressive movement and ceremonial performance. A young Cambodian woman stands gracefully, reflecting everyday life, tradition, and quiet dignity in early 20th century Cambodia. Carolina La Belle Otero captivated Europe with beauty, scandal, and elegance during the height of the Belle Époque. Gabrielle Ray became a symbol of Edwardian beauty, charm, and theatrical elegance on London stages. A young woman in traditional dress reflects elegance, cultural identity, and timeless beauty from the early 20th century. A young gypsy woman holds a mandolin, symbolizing music, romance, and free-spirited beauty of her culture. Lily Elsie became an Edwardian icon, celebrated for beauty, charm, and success on London's musical stages. Monsieur Termonde represents early 20th century French elegance, embodying theatrical grace, fashion, and artistic expression. Matilda Alice Powell's shown on English music hall stages, captivating audiences with charm, wit, and performance. Miss Valley Valley projects elegance and confidence, posing in luxurious fur, embodying early 20th century stage glamour. A Nepali woman displays traditional jewelry and attire, reflecting cultural pride, heritage, and timeless elegance. Princess Victoria Louise embodied European royalty, elegance, and modernity during the final years of Imperial Germany. Queen Mary of Romania symbolized strength, elegance, and national identity during a transformative era in Europe. Margareta Rita Martin represented early 20th century elegance, modern femininity, and artistic expression in portrait photography. Russian opera singer Makarova embodied dramatic expression and refined elegance in early 20th century performances. Four Filipino sisters posed together, reflecting family bonds, traditional style, and quiet elegance during the 1920s. Tamil girl from Ceylon wears traditional attire, reflecting cultural identity, grace, and heritage in early 20th century portraiture. Another Tamil girl from Ceylon appears in traditional clothing, expressing cultural pride, grace, and timeless heritage. Two young women pose confidently, showcasing early 20th century fashion, elegance, and changing ideals of beauty. Two unknown young ladies pose gracefully, reflecting early 20th century fashion, elegance, and social refinement. A gypsy girl wearing a beautiful dress, reflecting cultural pride, movement, elegance, tradition, and heritage. An unknown Japanese woman gently combs her long hair, expressing grace, ritual, and quiet everyday beauty. An unknown Japanese woman appears gentle and beautiful, embodying softness, elegance, and timeless traditional femininity. An unknown Japanese woman stands by the beach with an umbrella, evoking serenity, elegance, and timeless coastal beauty. An unknown woman wears comfortable clothing, reflecting simplicity, practicality, and everyday elegance from the early 20th century. An unknown lady displays beautiful clothing, period hairstyle, and a unique style reflecting elegance and individuality. A lady wears a large hat, showcasing dramatic fashion, confidence, and early 20th century elegance. A woman poses confidently with a book, blending subtle allure, intelligence, and early 20th century elegance. A confident woman poses with a book, blending subtle sensuality, intelligence, elegance, and early 20th century charm. Another woman poses with a book, reflecting a fashionable trend, blending allure, intellect, elegance, and early 20th century style. A woman poses calmly in Paris, 1831, reflecting early photographic art, elegance, and 19th century European femininity. A lady holds flowers with quiet grace, expressing elegance, refinement, and timeless beauty from a bygone era. A lady with long hair poses gracefully, reflecting femininity, elegance, and timeless beauty from the early 20th century. An unknown woman appears in vintage erotica, blending subtle sensuality, mystery, elegance, and early photographic expression. An elegant woman enjoys tea gracefully, blending subtle allure, refinement, calm intimacy, and timeless early 20th century charm. Graceful Tonkin woman stands calmly, wearing traditional attire and an oversized hat, reflecting early 20th century elegance. Young Japanese woman sits gracefully on the floor, embodying elegance, calm posture, and timeless traditional beauty. A young Vietnamese woman stands poised, carrying a sheathed sword, symbolizing tradition, strength, and heritage. This journey showcased women of many cultures and styles. Thank you for watching. Like and follow Echoes of Time.